I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Webflow responsive. To begin, always consider your design across different devices from the start. Responsive design ensures your website looks great and functions perfectly, whether viewed on a large desktop monitor, a tablet, or a small smartphone. This approach significantly enhances user experience and accessibility for everyone visiting your site. Webflow offers 5 standard breakpoints, including desktop, tablet, and 3 mobile views. Start designing for the largest screen, then work your way down. Styles you set on a larger breakpoint will automatically apply to smaller ones unless you override them. This inheritance system makes managing responsive styles much more efficient and straightforward. For truly adaptable layouts, leverage Webflow's powerful Flexbox and grid features. These tools allow elements to rearrange and resize gracefully across different screen dimensions. Always set your images and videos to 100% width to ensure they scale fluidly. Additionally, use relative units like percentages and viewport width for consistent sizing. After designing, thoroughly test your site. Webflow's built-in preview mode lets you check your design across all breakpoints. However, always test on actual physical devices to ensure everything renders correctly in real-world scenarios. Finally, optimize all images and assets to ensure quick loading times, providing a smooth and enjoyable experience for every user.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.